All right, hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about infinite solution and no solution systems of equations. So these are two other options for our systems, because remember, if we solved a system of equations, it should be two lines that cross somewhere. So let's take a look at what it's going to be if we don't have that kind of situation. So let's look at infinitely many solutions first. So we have an infinite amount of solutions that could work for us instead of just one. So looking at this system here, I am noticing that these are exactly the same. We have y equals 3x minus 2 and y equals 3x minus 2. These are the exact same equation. So systems that have exactly the same equations have infinite solutions. But what does that mean? So let's graph this. So we got 3x minus 2. Okay, so I'm going to start at minus 2. Our slope is going to be 3. So we got up 3 over 1. We got up 3 over 1. Oopsies. Up 3 over 1. And then we're going to go backwards to get the rest of it. There we go. We got a line. Okay. Cool. So, looks good. Alrighty. Now we have the same exact one that's just going to go right over the top. So all I'm going to do is just literally copy this. And we're just going to, oopsies. There we go. And we're just going to paste a new one right over it. Okay. So, something I'm noticing here. This is the exact same line that's going to go right on top of itself. So, unlike when we graph two lines that were going two different ways and we have the solution between them, these are constantly touching each other because our solution came where they touched, right here. But since these are constantly touching and our lines will go on forever, every single place they touch will be a solution. That's the entire thing. So since it goes on to infinity and it's constantly touching, this will be infinitely many solutions. There are so many solutions. Everything would be a solution. Any possible line or point that would show up on this line would be a solution. So, constantly touching, infinite solutions. All right. Well, what's it going to look like if we have no solutions? Okay, so let's take a look. We got y equals 2x minus 1 and y equals 2x plus 5. Okay, seeing a similarity here. We have the same slope, but we have different y-intercepts. So, systems that have the same slope have no solutions. Well, let's see why that is. So we got 2x minus 1 first. So I'm going to start at minus 1 right here. And then I'm going to go with my slope. That was 2. So I'm going to go up 2 over 1. Again, up 2 over 1. Until we have the whole thing. Alright, draw my line. Boom. Boom. Okay, one line. All right, let's do the next one. We got 2x plus 5. So I'm going to start at positive 5 right here. We're going to go up 2 over 1 because they have the same slope. Going backwards. Okay, connect the dots. All right. So, looking at these two, I'm noticing something. These look like they're parallel. Remember, parallel lines meant that they did not cross each other. There is no point where these two lines will cross. They are just going to keep on going straight up on until the end of time. So since they're constantly going straight, there is no possible way that they could touch each other. So that is why we have no solution. When we had one solution, they crossed each other. These don't touch at all, so they can't possibly have a solution. So that's why equations or systems of equations that have the same slope will not touch and therefore have no solution. Okay, so we had infinitely many and no solution. Completely opposite sides of our spectrum here. But that's about it for these notes. These were pretty quick in class as well. This was just a half sheet. But yeah, that's all I got for you today. That's infinitely many and no solution systems of equations. Have a good day. Bye.